Okay, area of a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? ABCD, where AB is parallel to CD. This is how you show this. And AD is parallel to BC. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. That is the definition of a parallelogram. And the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base is, like suppose you take AB as the base, then the height which is falling on AB, which is DM. Okay, if you take BC as the base, okay, then DN is the perpendicular falling on BC. So DN is the height and BC is the base. You can take any base. You can take AB as the base, AD as the base, DC as the base, and BC as the base. And the area will always remain the same. So that is the formula for area of a parallelogram. Now suppose you had this base here is AB multiplied by the height is DM, and here it is equal to base is BC and height is DN. But this, for the same parallelogram ABCD, this and this are equal. Areas will always be equal of the same parallelogram. From wherever you take base and wherever you take altitude or height, they'll remain the same. For the perimeter of the parallelogram, it will be the sum of all the four sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay, but we also know that AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD in a parallelogram. So we can say that the perimeter of a parallelogram is 2 multiplied by AB plus BC. That will be the formula. Now let us see the area. For perimeter, let us see this 12 and 9. So this also will be 9 and this also will be 12. 12 plus 9 is 21 multiplied by 2 is 42. So 42 will be the perimeter. 42 will be the perimeter, and here it will be 9 and this will be 12. So the perimeter will remain the same. Perimeter of this parallelogram will remain the same. For the area, let us see. Area is AB into DM. AB is 12 into DM is 6. So the area will be 72. 12 6 is 72. And here it is 9 and DN, which is the altitude falling on the base BC. 9 into 8 is 72. So whichever base you take and whichever altitude you take, then the area will remain the same.